Hello and welcome. This video is designed to give you a clearer understanding of what the WordPress installation directory is. Over the next couple of minutes, we'll go into more detail of what it is and why we use it. Before we show you how to use the directory Selector, let's give you some background on what your WordPress installation directory is. As an example, let's use test.com. The domain name test.com refers to a unique name that is used to identify a website on the internet. When someone visits test.com, for your website files to be viewable, your domain needs to be connected to a web server. Your website files are stored in a directory on your web server, and we refer to that directory as the document root. When an FTP account is created, depending on your access, you can use your base directory or FTP path as any folder on your web server. Your WordPress installation directory is your FTP path relative to your domain's document root. Keep watching to see how the FTP path relates to the document root.